in charge now. Let's go. Okay, Scar. Yours. I'm gonna upload it to yours. Jeez. It's a long time to upload it.
You know they're just watching.
Hi. Go. You scared of a camera? Stand back. You're not gonna do it, are you?
Squishy, squishy, squishy.
You're not doing it right. Not one bit.
Hi.
You're not doing it right?
They can't see me.
Get back. You're gonna ruin it. I'm not.
I got squishy stuff. I got 2 squishy things. This one's the eraser. Got a car. It's a Hot Wheel. See, it's number 68. You can see, it's a collectible. And I got a donut.
Sorry.
Break this. And more shirt. Yeah, that's it for all today. Well, not it. I have to do something else. Now I know what to do.
So you'll be right back.
I'll be right back. Hi, I got my sister's slime.
You didn't even push play, did you?
Yeah.
Yes, you did.
So yeah, my sister's doing something on her computer. I'm at my grandma and grandpa's. Well, our grandma and grandpa's. Great grandma and grandpa's. And yeah. This is a 3-minute video. I'll just be playing with this slime.
My slime in
What,
particular.
her slime. And if you want me to do anything else, comment down below. And please subscribe.
Give us a minute then.
Yeah, I'll just be playing with all this stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Bye.